rise and shine. Lovers, girly whirlies, chicken swirlies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, this is a wild one. This is a wild one. I did my hair twice for you. I wet my hair twice for you in today's video. That's how much I love you. That's how committed I am to you. That's how dedicated I am to you. Commitment, love, dedication, adoration. Today's video, we're here. Full hair tutorial, showing you the Dyson, showing you the Revlon Tik Tok viral brush. Okay, so it's a bit of everything. You'll see my full hair regime. This has gone viral on TikTok. I'm sure you've seen it. It's large and in charge. So I had my doubts. You'll see in this video how we got on. I always ask Sophie, is the Dyson Airwrap worth it? You'll see in the video my opinions, my thoughts. You'll see me using it. You'll learn everything from this video that I do with my hair and how I style my bangs, everything. You stunners do ask about the styling of the bangs. Everything's in this video. This is my full hair video, but also a little bit of experimentation, if you will. Love you all so much. As always, I see you. I see you in the likes, subscribes, comments, everything. So thank you so much. Let me know below what you'd like to see next. Let me know below what you think of these, which is a bit more bit of you. See you there, lovers. Love you so much. Thank you. Enjoy. Let's talk about what I use in the shower. Today in particular, I used Kevin Murphy. I'm obsessed with Kevin Murphy Angel Wash, Angel Rinse. That's their shampoo and conditioner. Another favorite is the Kerastase Blonde Absolute. That's the conditioner, fab. So they're obviously a bit more expensive. I just feel like they do the best for my hair, especially with the blonde color. The part is probably more affordable compared. It's still not like drugstore cheap, but fab. To our body, love Nivea Soft, cute men's shaving cream. I'm obsessed with lathering myself in Johnson's baby oil in the shower. It's absolutely stunning. Even though you're wet in the shower, put your oil on. Oh, stunning. And this an exfoliator. We love a scrub. So this, girlies, this is essential. This is a shower brush. So do your shampoo, do your conditioner, and let the conditioner sit and brush through your hair with the conditioner in it. Your hair will come out so sleek and soft. There's something in my eye. It's okay. I got it. Hey girlies, so let me show you what I put in my wet hair. I always put in a heat protectant and an oil. Is that kind of defeating the purpose? Probably, but I don't want to hear it. I'm just addicted to products and I'm addicted to these. The Kerastase Blonde Absolute. Their heat protective serum. I'll put names below because I struggle. Pump. Just one pump. And then I'll do a pump of the Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment Light. I'm really struggling today. Oh, there we go. That was cute. Just one pump because that is so rich. And in between the palm of the hands. And start at the ends because you don't want really greasy roots. And then work your way through the top. And just getting it through the hair. There's also, I also love the Andrew Fitzsimons oil from Penny's. People love this as well before blow dry. This is also fab. So if you're on the cheap and cheerful, we love the cheap and cheerful. Absolutely stunning. I think it's like €3. That's a stunning oil as well. That's like a really nice dupe for the Moroccan oil. I just brush that through. I think I'm going to show you the Dyson Airwrap first. I'm going to show you how I always style my hair. Okay, and it's always with the Dyson. But then after that, I think I'm actually going to go and wet my hair again and undo all my Dyson work and dry it with this to see the difference, to see, can I be converted to this? Will this take over? €500, €60? Is this all you need? So that's what we're figuring out today. So I'm going to do my Dyson Airwrap as usual and show you my everyday hair. I'm going to compare it to this bad boy. So I'm going to end up wetting my hair all over again to show you this. I'm committed. I'm committed. I'm here for it. Okay, so let's go. Dyson Airwrap comes with this little treasure box of all the different heads to put on. So 30mm barrel curls, 40mm barrel curls, the volume brush, straightening brush, the dryer. So I'll use the dryer now. I was gifted this, by the way, back in April. So I did not spend my money on it. So I find it really hard when people say, is it worth the money? Because I use it every day and I'm obsessed with it. But I didn't fork out that money on it. So I don't know. I think you girlies got it. You'll be able to tell from this maybe how much. Like, I love it. I love it and I use it every day, but I feel like I can't try and be like, yeah girls, because I did not fork out €500 on it, you know? So this video is for you to be able to make up your opinion, your mind about it. Is it going to be worth your €500? So I always just blast my hair dry. So that is the hair dryer head. It's as normal as they come. Hair dryer on its own is actually probably more powerful. It does the job. The Dyson, you could go straight in with your wet hair and curl it straight away. I find that takes longer and the curls don't hold as well. So I will blast dry the hair, and now I'm gonna go in for my curls. That's the 40mm barrel. This is the 30mm barrel. I just always use the 30 because it holds longer, it holds better, it lasts better. That's just too loose. Like, that's stunning for an hour or two. But if you're like, for the day, the 30mm. A lot of people ask, does the Dyson Airwrap, does the styling hold? Does your hair last? Honestly, girls, my hair is kind of hard to judge because my hair has a world of its own, a life of its own up in here. My hair does whatever the fuck it wants and it doesn't really listen to me. So with my hair, like, even if I get it professionally done, it does drop, it does fall out a bit, and I'm always touching my hair, flicking my hair side to side. It's ridiculous. But it holds the curl. It does keep the hair looking fresh. That's how I would describe it. I used to always do the full, like, I would do a full curl, like, up to the root. I actually just love doing the ends now. So just let the hair pick up. I kind of wrap it a bit just to give it the nudge nudge. Girls, you're always asking on my Instagram about my bangs, and it's always the Dyson. Get this in frame. It's just the quickest and easiest tool. But on my TikTok I did show a video of doing it with the hairdryer. Like, all you need is a roller brush and the hairdryer, but the Dyson just does make it so quick and easy. But let's repeat: roller brush and hairdryer, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, cheap and cheerful. Okay, but this, because I have it, it works. So just and going backwards, letting it wrap backwards. Let it sit wild and free for a minute. Pointing that way, onto the other side. It actually goes under, but it'll give the same effect. It's stunner, so that's both sides done, and I just like to take the straightening brush and just run through it all then, just get rid of any frizzies. This side got a bit too curly. I don't love that now. Why is that curling the wrong way in? Okay, so that is daily Dyson Airwrap do. It's what I do on the daily, girls, and that literally took 10 minutes. But now, let's see how we get on with the Revlon brush. I'm actually gonna go and undo all of this. I'm spray my hair with water, I'll show you the bottle, and let's go again. Let's get a thumbnail. What face should I make? Like, confused, torn, happy, love, shocked? I can't believe I'm about to do this. I just have to do it, don't I? I just have to, okay, I just have to do it. Oh my God, why am I like this? Why do I do this to myself? At least the Dyson didn't take long. It's not like I spent hours on it. I'm being so dramatic. So this is just a spray bottle from Boots. So this is handy to have when you have something like the Dyson or potentially the Revlon brush. You might prefer to style your hair wet, especially bangs. You might prefer to go from wet to dry. Oh my God, I'm like feeling really nervous about this. Okay, why am I nervous? Let's go, Sophie, you can do this. Okay, so you twist the dial down here. Okay, let's get the ends. Let's try to get the ends off this curlier. Oh, yes! Oh, this has a cold air option too. So yeah, there's like, do you blast your hair with cold air? Apparently sets it better, so like, maybe I should try that. Girls, I'm really happy with this. I'm liking this so far. I'm liking this so far. I'll be intrigued for the bangs. We'll see how, the fringe, the bangs. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that gets on. Okay. I love the size of it. It gets so much hair done in one. Okay, now it's time for the truth because I'm really nervous about how it's gonna do the bangs. So let's see. Yeah, Girlies, girlies, I think it passes the vibe check. I think it passes the bang check. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, girlies, that is a lovely, lovely piece of equipment. What do we think? I'm gonna have to wear it for the day and come back to you and show you like how it's sat for the day. So this is definitely kind of straighter than what I usually do, but I think I can work with it. I think I can get used to that. Oh, I think do I prefer it? Don't tell anyone. Then girls, once I've styled my hair, no matter what way I've done it, what I've done to it, I'll always put a bit of dry shampoo just at the roots for that bit of volume. You don't need too much because obviously I've just freshly washed my hair, and I'll still do a bit of dry shampoo just in at the scalp, in at the roots, just for a bit of volume. And then taking any hairspray, this is a Redken spray, and I'll just spray it onto my fingertips and just run it through up here. I have grey hairs, girls, okay? We need to keep them tame. You need to keep them relaxed. So a bit of hairspray on the fingers. Either I do that, or Kevin Murphy does have the most stunning spray. So this one is bedroom hair, flexible texturizing hairspray, or their do-over spray is a mix of dry shampoo and hairspray. So either do one or the other. You don't need to do both. This is just me trying to show you both. This is fab. It just, like that, boom, it's in place. So if you like your hair looking that bit textured, almost like, not beachy, but almost that kind of textured effect, the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair is fab. I think it's a bit of me. I think it's a bit of me. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm quite digging it. So it's not the curly blow. It's more of that really sophisticated blowout, as they would say in America. I think I'll have to come back and say how it's lasted, how it holds up. And I'll be like, hi, this is me from the future. Hi honeys, here for a quick update. Hair stayed fresh. Hair stayed pretty groovy. Can you hear that rain outside? Tell me. There's no better noise. Tell me better noise. There's no better noise. I hope you can hear it on the Velux window. So hair has stayed cute, volume is fresh, and that was even getting a little bit caught in the rain. So verdict, I love. Stunners, we'll leave it there. I think that's all for today. I'm feeling quite conflicted. I don't know how to feel. It's kind of playing with my emotions. I'm impressed. I'm happy and I'm impressed. And it was €60. So, okay. Please, thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you so much. You're just the best. Info on products down below. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you.